Hey everyone, today with me I have the cutest little starfish dog toys. I do believe they are meant to be a little starfish and they're super cute. I really like that they are a Crinkle toy. This is my first Crinkle toy for my dog, and they also squeak. They are super cute, a good size, and relatively perfect for bigger dogs and smaller dogs as well. They fit every dog category out there because they're super easy to play with and they are durable. I really like the crinkling sound and the size of them, and they are perfect for your dog to play around with. I definitely recommend it. I love that they have the pack of 2, so I got them in pink and blue, and I definitely recommend you check them out on Amazon. Super cute and a perfect dog toy.